Don't fall for the Bitcoin trap. It is making a beautiful chart pattern, but it's likely to be topping out near the $25,000 range. So if you like today's video, like, subscribe, hit the bell notification. Let's dive into Bitcoins, looking at the technicals where the fundamentals are already baked in. With Bitcoin right now, the price has been surging, but we're likely to be seeing a Bitcoin top over the coming next few days. And this is why. Now, when we're looking at pattern position, there's a few different wave counts. And markets tend to move in fives and threes. But the most basic here is we've had this movement to the upside, sideways overall, massive movement upside, sideways overall, and then a final move to the upside. So we're likely to see Bitcoin topping out in this region over here. Also keeping in mind that the weekly momentum is overbought. So let's just draw this onto the chart, because if we can make sense of this, then all of a sudden we can see things that most people cannot see. And Bitcoin is really the leading indicator for the rest of the crypto market. And if you can understand that, then all of a sudden you can really help yourself by making better decisions. So the key thing to take into account is we're likely, very likely, we said this a few days ago, this part of the market, it looked like a nice wave one, a wave two, an impulsive three. We got the jobs report coming tomorrow, non-farm payroll. And we're probably going to see Bitcoin top out in this region. Now, there'll probably be some big spikes to the upside and a bit crazy tomorrow. But overall, we want to anticipate sideways to down. Now, I want to invite you, I've created something very new, and it's a Bitcoin report. Because with Bitcoin, there's relevant information and we need to be keeping our finger on the pulse. And if we can do that, all of a sudden we can do things and see things and make better decisions. So this is free, is in the link below. And what you'll get is me updating when it's relevant. It'll be once a week at least, but it's when there's relevant information, we can stay on top of Bitcoin. One, we make a lot of money on Bitcoin, longing it and shorting it, but it also gives us a good feel as an indicator for the rest of the market as well. And as an extra thank you, I've added a few extra bonuses, some basic Elliott Wave training, just so you can get the real core concepts, so you can get the most out of this whole free membership as well. It's absolutely free. You're going to love it. Been working on it for a while. So again, just to summarize, it's a daily chart now with Bitcoin. We've had this move to the upside. We've had this irregular type of correction, massive surge, but don't be overly surprised if we see it topping out over the next couple of days and sideways to down, really, to protect your profits and the relevant action. So I'm looking to take short positions over the coming few days. So let's finish on a quote, and don't forget, like, subscribe, hit the bell notification. I'm looking to bring you a lot of value in preparation for what's probably going to be in the next few months, or definitely in the next couple of years, the biggest bull run to date. The quote of the day: beneath every mountain of success is the necessary amount of failure. Is that right? No. Beneath every success is a mountain of necessary failure.